Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a stunning 6 bedroom, 6 bathroom residential masterpiece for sale. It is situated on less than half acre of land. It is located at Carmel Terrace, Kingston 8. This two-story home offers luxurious living with exquisite attention to detail. The top floor boasts a spacious living room, dining area, and kitchen, perfect for hosting gatherings and creating lifelong memories. Accompanying this floor are 4 bedrooms, including a magnificent master suite with a balcony offering breathtaking views. Additionally, there are 3.5 bathrooms, ensuring ample convenience and comfort for all occupants. The bottom floor presents a separate living space complete with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, and a helper's quarters. This layout offers great versatility and is ideal for accommodating guests, extended family, or be rented to 3 separate tenants to generate income. It also has a water purifier system in the kitchen, water tank, remote control gate, washroom, and gardening area. Make an offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 980,000 or Jamaican $150.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.